in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to download and install the Facebook mobile app on your Android smartphone. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is swipe up on your home screen and select Play Store. You want to select the search button at the bottom and then type in Facebook. And then you want to select Meta Platforms, Facebook. So select that install button. You can see there's over 10 billion downloads, so you know it's the right one. And give it a moment to download here. And then you would just select open, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.